In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an annotated bibliography using ChatGPT. If you've ever felt overwhelmed by citations, summaries, and source evaluations, this process can make the work much more manageable. The key is to use ChatGPT as a helper, not as a substitute for your own review and writing. That way, your final annotated bibliography will still be accurate, clear, and truly reflect your understanding. Start by gathering all the sources you plan to use for your annotated bibliography. This might include books, journal articles, websites, or other academic materials. Before you do anything else, make sure you've actually selected the sources you need so you're not building citations and annotations for materials that won't end up in your final assignment. Next, copy the citation details for each source. This usually includes author's name, the title of the work, the publication date, and the publisher or source name. Be careful here because even small errors in these details can lead to incorrect citations later. It helps to copy directly from the source record or database whenever possible. Once you have those details, ask ChatGPT to format the citation in the style your assignment requires, such as APA, MLA, or Chicago. This can save time, but it's still important to double check the results since citation rules can vary depending on the type of source. And after that, provide a summary of the source or ask ChatGPT to help summarize it based on the information you share. The goal of this part is to clearly explain what the source is about in a concise and understandable way. Keep the summary focused on the main points rather than minor details. Then, ask ChatGPT to explain the source's main argument or purpose. This is especially useful if the source is dense or academic. Understanding the author's central idea helps you write a stronger annotation and shows that you're engaging with the material, not just describing it. Next, add a short evaluation of how useful or reliable the source is. You might consider whether the author seems credible, whether the publication is trustworthy, and how relevant the source is to your topic. This evaluation is an important part of an annotated bibliography because it shows critical thinking. Before you finish, review everything carefully and rewrite it in your own words. This step matters because it helps you avoid sounding overly generic and ensures the final work reflects your voice and understanding. Finally, check the citation style one more time before submitting. A last review can catch small formatting issues and help you turn in a polished, accurate, annotated bibliography.